Independence 3. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is quite common for people to become dependent on others, such as their family. Even though having hope in people is not a sin, but as they are imperfect, a Muslim always runs the risk of being let down. In fact, it is inevitable. They should instead strive to rely on Allah, the Exalted. This is only achieved through his obedience by fulfilling his commands, refraining from his prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, as a Muslim who is disobedient will not depend on Allah, the Exalted. They should then fulfill their duties in respect of the creation, without expecting or hoping in anything in return from them. This will aid in eliminating their dependency on them. Allah, the Exalted, has made it crystal clear that whoever correctly depends on him, through his sincere obedience, will be sufficed from all issues they might face in both worlds. Chapter 65 at Talaq, verse 3.
And whoever relies upon Allah, then he is sufficient for him.
As Allah, the Exalted, is firm on his promises when one depends on him, they too will become steadfast and firm when facing difficulties. But if they rely on people who are prone to change with the passing of time, they will become fickle and fail to remain steadfast. The stronger one's helper and refuge, the stronger they will become. If a Muslim seeks refuge with Allah, the Exalted, who has power over all things, through sincere obedience, they will become empowered to overcome all difficulties. But if they seek refuge and depend on people who by their nature are weak, they too will become weak in the face of difficulties. This is like a person who seeks refuge in a strong fortified castle during a storm, and another who seeks refuge in a straw hut. It does not take a genius to determine who is more likely to overcome the difficulty of the storm successfully. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.